So ukisikia huko nyuma kuna mtu analia amepata mwili ya mpendwa wao. This is how the bodies are being removed from Mukuru kwa Jenga, Kware. Hiyo ni mwili moja. So guys, this is body identification. Josephine's family. We are at City Mortuary. So the family of Josephine wameenda to identify the body of their loved ones. Yeah. So they are accompanied by the officers from the DCI. So wameenda to identify the body. So they will identify the body. Alafu shall inform you. Huko tuko City Mortuary na watu ni wengi zaidi. Families are very many wenye wamekuja ku identify meals zenye zimetoka kule Mukuru kwa Jenga, Kware. So these are family members. So guys, the family wamemaliza ku identify the body. So this is the family na washamaliza ku identify the body of their loved ones. As you can see, wako na huzuni sana sana sana. Kukumbusha tena tuko hapa City Mortuary. And guys, this is the current situation. So this is the family, and this is the current situation at City Mortuary after family wameweza ku identify the bodies of their loved ones. Ni vilio. It's very sad. It's very very sad, guys. We are live from City Mortuary. This is live from City Mortuary, and it is very very sad. It's very very sad. Bado kuna hawa bado they have pia wameweza kuona the body of their loved ones, and it's very painful. It's very very painful. It's very 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 painful. So it's very very sad. So this is the current situation here at City Mortuary after families wameweza kuidentify bodies of their loved ones wenye wameweza kuuliwa. Kukumbushe bado bodies zinaendelea kuwa retrieved from Mukuru kwa Jenga, na after families zimekuja identify their loved ones. This is the current situation. This is the current situation. It's very very sad from here. This is the current situation. Tunaendelea kuwazungusha huku. So that is one family. Kuna family ingine hapo hivyo, na bado DCI wako huku. So nataka niwarudishe tena the other side. I want to show you the picture ya huku City Mortuary. Families zinaendelea kukuja to identify the bodies of their loved ones, na kuna majonzi sana. Ukiona maafisa wa DCI wako huku ndo wanaendeleza this ku guide family on how they will identify the bodies of their loved ones. Once more, we are reporting from City Mortuary. We are reporting from City Mortuary. So this is a live coverage from City Mortuary. Ukiona hao ni maafisa wa DCI wanaendelea na records zao. So familia wanakuja wana identify the body of their loved ones. Nikukumbusha bado bodies zinaendelea kufika huku inside the city mortuary. Tukiendelea guys, as you can see, those are members of Red Cross wanaendelea ku counsel the family after they have confirmed that it's their loved ones bodies ziko hapa city mortuary, and the situation is bad. It's very sad. It's very, very sad. It's very, very sad. Kiona, that is one of the family member ameweza kuanguka. So guys, this is the current situation. It's very, very sad. After watu wameweza kuidentify body kama hii familia, their loved one aliweza kupatikana huko Mukuru kwa Jenga. Wamekuja wameconfirm ni yeye, wameletwa na maafisa wa DCI, and it's very, very sad. It's very, very sad. So members of the Red Cross ndo wako pale hivi, at least to give them just to accompany, to give them motivation, to encourage, because it's not easy. And this is a live coverage from City Mortuary, where families wanaendelea ku identify the bodies of their loved ones.